Ethiopia's long-standing ambitions to join the World Trade Organization (WTO) is set to take a significant step forward, with crucial negotiations scheduled for later this month or early March. Ethiopia spent the past 2 decades implementing comprehensive economic and trade policy reforms to meet the WTO's strict requirements. Now, with the finish line in sight, the nation is preparing for a critical round of talks aimed at finalizing its membership. The upcoming negotiation in Geneva will focus on key trade agreements, including market access obligation and necessary adjustment to Ethiopian domestic regulations. These discussions are part of the final stage of a long process that has seen Ethiopia engage in multiple rounds of negotiation. The fourth round, nationally planned for 2020, was delayed by the COVID-19 pandemic and other unforeseen challenges. Government officials and trade experts remain optimistic about what comes. Ms. Yasmin Wahara, Ms. Yasmin Wahabri, Ethiopian State Minister of Trade and Regional Integration, described the membership process as a historic opportunity to strengthen the economy and attract foreign investment. In addition to multilateral talks, Ethiopia has been engaged in bilateral negotiations with several countries, furthering its goal of boosting international trade and investment flows. The Ethiopian delegation recently finalized necessary documents with the WTO Secretary in Geneva in preparation for the upcoming talks. While progress was delayed, the government is committed to completing the membership process by 2026. There is a plan to finalize it during the Council of Ministers meeting in Kramo. Once concluded, Ethiopian accession to the WTO is expected to enhance the nation's access to global market and foster stronger regional trade partnership. The WTO memberships will play a key role in Ethiopian broader economic reforms, opening new doors for investment and driving sustainable growth in the years ahead. Thank you for listening. Please like, subscribe. Thank you.